Welcome back to Motor Explain, the place where future machines meet real passion. If you love speed, design, and the soul of Italian engineering, you are in the right spot. Today is special, because Maserati has just pulled the cover off its boldest vision yet, the new next-generation 2027 Maserati MC22. This is not just a car reveal, this is a statement of where performance, luxury, and innovation are heading in the years to come. The 2027 Maserati MC22 arrives as the spiritual evolution of the MC lineage, taking everything that made the MC20 iconic and pushing it far beyond expectations. From the very first glance, the MC22 feels dramatic, purposeful, and unmistakably Maserati. The design language is sharper, more aggressive, and yet beautifully elegant. Maserati designers clearly focused on blending aerodynamics with art, creating a supercar that looks fast even when standing still. At the front, the MC22 features a lower and wider stance, giving it a powerful road presence. The signature Maserati grille has been reimagined with a cleaner, more sculpted look, proudly wearing the Trident emblem. Slimmer LED headlights stretch toward the sides, giving the car a focused and predatory expression. Large air intakes are carefully integrated into the body, channeling airflow for cooling and downforce rather than pure visual drama. Everything has a purpose. Move along the side profile and the MC22 truly comes alive. The flowing lines are tighter and more muscular than before, emphasizing speed and balance. The doors open upward in a dramatic butterfly style, instantly reminding you that this is a true supercar. Massive alloy wheels sit flush with the body, wrapped in high-performance tires designed to handle extreme power and cornering forces. The side air channels feed the engine and brakes, ensuring optimal performance even under intense driving conditions. At the rear, the MC22 looks futuristic and aggressive. A wide stance, sculpted diffuser, and integrated active rear wing dominate the view. The taillights are thin and horizontal, giving the car a modern and high-tech appearance. Quad exhaust outlets hint at the raw power hidden beneath the bodywork. Every angle of the MC22 tells the same story. This car is built to perform at the highest level while still turning heads wherever it goes. Under the skin, the 2027 Maserati MC22 is where things get truly exciting. Maserati is rumored to push the boundaries of its Nettuno engine technology even further. The MC22 is expected to feature an advanced hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo V6 with electric assistance. This setup delivers breathtaking performance while improving efficiency and responsiveness. Power figures are expected to exceed 700 horsepower, placing the MC22 firmly in the elite supercar category. The acceleration is nothing short of brutal. The MC22 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, with a top speed well beyond 200 miles per hour. The electric motor fills in torque instantly, eliminating turbo lag and making throttle response razor sharp. Whether launching from a standstill or overtaking at high speed, the MC22 delivers relentless performance. The chassis and handling have also been completely refined. The MC22 is built on a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, keeping weight low and rigidity high. Advanced adaptive suspension adjusts in real time, offering a comfortable ride on normal roads and race car sharpness on the track. Maserati has fine-tuned the steering for precision and feedback, ensuring the driver feels completely connected to the car at all times. Braking performance matches the insane speed. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power and fade resistance. Even after repeated hard braking, the MC22 remains confident and controlled. This is a car designed not only to go fast in a straight line, but to dominate corners and deliver confidence at the limit. Step inside the 2027 Maserati MC22 and you are welcomed into a cockpit that blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. The interior is driver-focused, with everything positioned for ease of use at high speeds. Premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather cover every surface. The seats are lightweight racing buckets, offering excellent support without sacrificing comfort. The digital instrument cluster displays all essential information in a clean and customizable layout. A central touchscreen controls infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings, featuring the latest Maserati software with fast response and intuitive menus. Physical buttons are kept to a minimum, but essential controls remain tactile for confident operation while driving. Technology plays a huge role in the MC22 experience. Advanced driver assistance systems are included, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and collision warning, all calibrated to respect the performance nature of the car. Multiple driving modes allow the driver to switch from a refined grand tourer to an aggressive track weapon in seconds. Each mode adjusts throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feel, and exhaust sound. Sound is a key part of any Maserati, and the MC22 does not disappoint. The exhaust note is deep, emotional, and unmistakably Italian. In performance modes, the engine sings with a raw and aggressive tone that sends chills down your spine. Yet in calmer modes, the car can cruise quietly and comfortably, making it surprisingly usable for everyday driving. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2027 MC22 is how it balances tradition and innovation. Maserati has respected its racing heritage while embracing modern technology and sustainability. The hybrid system is not just about efficiency, it enhances performance and future-proofs the brand in a changing automotive world. The MC22 is more than a successor, it is a vision of what Maserati believes a modern supercar should be. It delivers extreme performance without losing elegance, cutting-edge technology without sacrificing emotion, and everyday usability without compromising excitement. For Maserati fans, the MC22 represents a new chapter. It shows that the brand is serious about competing with the very best in the supercar world. Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren have all set high standards, but the MC22 proves that Maserati is ready to challenge them head-on with confidence and style. As we look toward the future, the 2027 Maserati MC22 stands as a symbol of innovation, passion, and Italian craftsmanship. It is a car designed not just to impress on paper, but to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you admire it for its design, performance, or heritage, one thing is clear, the MC22 is a true masterpiece in the making. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the all-new 2027 Maserati MC22, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Motor Explain, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the MC22 over its rivals, or does another supercar still hold your heart? Until next time, keep the passion alive and stay tuned for more exciting automotive stories.